Hey, sorry guys, it's kind of been a while. I've been dealing a lot with school and work and things of that nature. That aside, it's been brought to my attention that some people may or may not know what to do in case they appear that they are unable to click on something while in edit mode. Alright, first things first, I'm going to scoot this guy out of my way. And right now, I'm in edit mode. So let's start with this little guy right here, our show overlay button. If we click on this, we're still in edit mode. However, if you'll notice, the little gizmos here and here are missing. It also appears that all of your segments are also missing. The grid's gone as well. Let's go ahead and click this button and bring the guy back, and everything that's missing has now returned. You should now be able to click on things and do as you please with them, such as grabbing it or whatever it is you wish to do. Alright, now then, we can click on this guy as well, and that causes our other widgets to disappear. Now, another reason, let's get us back into object mode. Another reason that you may not be able to click on anything is these little arrows here. Go ahead and click on all of these. And then click on these as well. Now, as you can see, I can't click anything on my character. Let's go ahead and bring these guys back to life. A quicker way of doing this is pressing down your left mouse button and just dragging completely down the list. Alright, now you may notice that my armature or the bones for my Vroid character are missing. You can come over here to this eyeball and it appears to be closed. If you click on it, the eyeball opens and the armature or bones return. To hide them, you hit H, Hotel. To bring them back, Alt H. Also, a little feature with my characters, you can do this as well if you like. Come over here to this little TV and hit Bloom. You can then, let's move Celestia out of the way for a moment. You can then come over here and I'll just, heck of it, click on this. Or we'll just come over here to this material. Alright, this is the color for my wings. Change that, and then come here to strength. Make it as bright or as dull as you wish, and then come over here. Once you click this, your scenery will be able to change colors. Come over here to this button, and you can change your background color. To do this, it's best to make it all black. But you can change that, and then I'll go ahead and hide these bones so that you can see what's going on. And then, once I get rid of the scenery, Now you can truly let your character shine.